wearing new slippers.
Say hi, Manong. Hi, Manong.
Hi, Manu.
Oh, wait. Wet.
Oh,
Wet,
kaputek.
Wet, okay. Wet
No,
floor.
that's
Wet floor.
muddy.
Wet floor. Wet.
Hey.
That is our workshop.
Workshop.
Garden!
Workshop nga.
And this is our hindi pa tapos na not
Road. Ay, we're not going that way. This way, please.
Yun yung punlaan namin. Pakita mo na yung punlaan namin.
Oh, this is your hacienda.
Nursery!
Nursery?
Yeah.
Let's
Where
go.
You can put, you can look for little plants, mga seedlings.
How little?
Like this. Oh, can you, pakita mo man lang. Yun,
That is the fish pan. It's so beautiful.
And this
There.
is the cottage.
That is the cottage.
Okay.
Celebrate birthday parties in here. Dogs is already tired. Oh, it's a black dog. Can we, go up?
Go up.
Where?
Here. Pakita mo ang daan.
I will jump. Crawl. Like a lizard.
Oh, doon ang bodega namin. Ito mo.
Another workshop. A storage room.
Pinapagawa ko sa mga anak ko.
Home for your sons and daughters in the future. And who will be your husband?
Put the, salay.
Saliva?
Saliva. Kasi may dami nito salivate. Salay. Ay! May alam! Ay! Okay.
Knowledgeable. Maybe.
Naniligaw ang mayari. This way.
Di yun!
Ay!
Picture. Maliwanag po masyado yung video po.
O, delay yun.
Hi, Kuya!
Say hi.